Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Make local copies of any crucial files so you won't lose work. Once done, click the OneDrive cloud icon in the system tray and pause syncing for a short window. This prevents changes while you work. Then open Settings and go to the Account tab so you can see which Microsoft account and which folders are currently linked. Make sure you have admin or sign-in access. Without that, you can't fully unsync or change folder selections. Next, you refine what stays synced. In Settings under Account, click Choose Folders and uncheck any folders you want to remove from cloud syncing. You should then move files you want kept only on your device out of the OneDrive folder into a regular local folder. That prevents OneDrive from re-uploading them. Make sure to watch the file status icons. Green checks are safe, blue arrows mean syncing is active, so you don't accidentally remove something mid-transfer. This step minimizes accidental cloud deletion. To finish, choose Unlink this PC from the Account tab. You'll be signed out and OneDrive will stop syncing that device. After unlinking, verify every file you need exists in your local folders. Then you can safely delete the OneDrive local folder or uninstall the app if you want no traces. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Immediately check your local recycle bin and the OneDrive web recycle bin. Many deleted files can be restored quickly. If needed, relink to recover anything missing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.